Straight to the CGM. From there, straight we went to the office to attend the CM's meetings, and then after the office तो वही मंगा के चीज़ कभी कभी होता है, not always.
But this CGM's protocol does it have to appear in person?
No, evidence is there.
Okay.
Evidence is there.
Perfect.
So it was actually I had postponed it twice. So I wanted to come back.
ये साथ में तो थोड़ा जल्दी था।
आपने रिकॉग्नाइज करके उनको बुलाया।
29, 30th.
मालूम है ना मिस उषा पांडे।
उषा
अच्छा अच्छा She worked full 2 months holidays. She has done everything.
To everything there's a reason and a time to every purpose under heaven. Rest is not a matter of doing nothing. Rest is repair. So, we at Sacred Heart Convent are taking this little break at mid-session to celebrate the joy of togetherness. It is my proud Excise and Taxation, Himachal Pradesh. Mr. Baldi has held many other prestigious appointments in his illustrious career. To name a few, he was DC Kangra, Secretary Finance and Principal Secretary Education. A truly committed man, Mr. Baldi has worked tirelessly to promote the state of Himachal Pradesh in various fields, be it education, transport or finance. I also very warmly welcome our guests of honor, Mr. V. Kurin, Director General, National Academy of Audit and Accounts. I extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Rakesh Kanwar, Director Language and Culture and Special Secretary Finance. I very warmly welcome all of you. I now request our Principal Sister Jacintha to formally welcome our Honorable Chief Guest and Guest of Honor.
Dream shall you mold the future, for your vision is the promise of what you shall at last unveil. A very good evening to one and all. It was this dream and our implicit faith in it that led to the inception of Sacred Heart Convent at Dhali in the year 2008. Believing that obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off the goal, we never lost focus and have only grown from strength to strength. Well armored with all the requisites required to give shape to this dream, the Sacred Heart family has marched forward with the strength to battle with difficulties and overcome them, to have patience enough to toil on until some good is accomplished, to have charity enough to help the less privileged, abundant faith to make real the will of God, and hope enough to remove all anxious fears. Concerning the future, I am happy to share with you that this year, this school has its first batch of class 10 to take the CBSE examination. This institution believes in not only sharpening the minds of the students, but also preparing them for life, so that in the future they can shoulder the responsibility of taking our nation forward. We instill in them moral values so that they grow in character. We teach our students to be glad of life because it gives them a chance to love and to work, to despise nothing in the world except falsehood. Believing that the greatest good you can do for another is to reveal to them their hidden treasure trove of talent, we encourage our students to excel in their area of interest, for the destiny of man is in his own endeavor. We continue to work diligently for the betterment of our students and this institution. Taking a happy interlude from work, our very talented students present this magnum opus, Mirabai. I very warmly welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Shrikant Baldi, Secretary Finance, Excise and Taxation, Himachal Pradesh, this evening. At present, Dr. Baldi is Secretary Finance, Excise and Taxation. He is deeply committed to the advancement of Himachal Pradesh and the country. Dr. Baldi has done intense research work on various topics and written many reports and papers as well. We feel highly honored and privileged to have you in our midst, sir. It is also my pleasure to very warmly welcome Mrs. Baldi this evening. Welcome, ma'am. My warm welcome to our guest of honor, Mr. Vidayathil Kurian, Director General, National Academy of Audit and Accounts, and Mr. Rakesh Kanwar, Director, Language and Culture and Special Secretary Finance. We are indeed very honored to have you in our midst this evening. Thank you for enriching this evening with your kind presence. I also take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to the members of our school managing committee and to all our distinguished guests and parents. Your presence has always been a source of inspiration and encouragement to all of us. Thank you and wish you an enjoyable evening.
The dust of everyday life. It opens wide the windows of the soul. It purges the soul and means far more to the sinking heart than shelter or bread. For shelter is gone when the night is over, and bread lasts only a day. But the essence of art over, in its purest form, lingers on in the spirit for an eternity. And what better way for a perfect catharsis than to relive the saga of Mirabai, whose entire life was devoted to Lord Krishna and comes out most beautifully in her masterstrokes of poetry, which is indeed immortalized forever in all our hearts and minds. We now go back in time and turn the pages of history to relive the era through our magnum opus, Mirabai.
नारी, तुम केवल श्रद्धा हो, विश्वास रजत नख पग तल में, पीयूष स्रोत सी बहा करो जीवन के सुंदर समतल में। वसुंधरा को सिंचित करने वाली अजस्र धारा अमर प्रेम की जब भी चर्चा होती है, एक नाम अनायास ही हमारी स्मृति में साकार हो उठता है, और वो नाम है मीराबाई। मीराबाई हिंदी साहित्य के भक्ति काल की प्रेम सिंधु का ऐसा तीव्र बहाव था जिसमें न जाने कितने भगवत भक्त सराबोर होकर ब्रह्म रूप हो गए। मीरा और गिरिधर गोपाल और मीरा, एक रूप एक एहसास। युग युगांतर से चली आ रही ये प्रेम रसधार हम सबको एक सच्चिदानंद से भर देती है। हमारी इस नृत्य नाटिका की नायिका यही प्रेम दीवानी मीरा है। मीराबाई का जन्म 16वीं शताब्दी में राजस्थान के एक संपन्न राणा परिवार में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम राणा रतन सिंह था। भोली भाली नन्ही मीरा आंखों में कौतूहल भरे संसार के हर क्रियाकलाप को देखती। एक दिन जब वो अपनी सखियों के साथ खेल रही थी, उसने एक डोली जाती देखी। दूल्हा अपनी दुल्हन को धूमधाम से अपने घर ले जा रहा था।
देखो तो मेरी गुड़िया इस लाल रंग के लहंगे में कितनी सुंदर दिखती है। हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल दुल्हन जैसी। अरे मीरा, देखो दूल्हा अपनी दुल्हन को डोली में बिठाकर अपने घर ले जा रहा है। पता है, माँ कहती है कि एक दिन हमें भी इसी तरह डोली में बैठकर अपने ससुराल जाना होगा। कौन लेकर जाएगा हमें हमारे ससुराल? अरे बुद्धू, क्या तुम इतना भी नहीं जानती? विवाह हो जाने पर हमें हमारे पति के साथ अपने ससुराल जाना पड़ता है। हाँ, और हमें अपने माता पिता का घर छोड़कर अपने पति के घर में रहना पड़ता है।
अरे ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर?
माँ, क्या तुम भी मुझे मेरे पति के संग भेज दोगी?
एक दिन हमारी ये नन्ही सी गुड़िया भी हमें छोड़कर अपने पति के संग चली जाएगी।
नहीं माँ, हम आपको छोड़कर कहीं नहीं जाएंगे।
मीरा, तुम्हें पता